Sorry, the camera's wiggly. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and it is day 2 of week 4, and it's the second day into the bulk phase. So I didn't really do anything posting-wise or making any videos over the weekend, though I did still work out Sunday. Well, actually, I haven't had a rest day yet. I won't have a rest day until this Sunday. So it continued through from last Wednesday, and we're just going straight through until Sunday. So my body's definitely going to be feeling it. So it was a holiday weekend, and so I definitely had fun, but I still did all of my workouts. I've only done 2 in the bulk phase, and I can already tell that it's going to do some great stuff, and I feel stronger. So that's awesome to notice. So today was legs, and while I heard it wasn't as hard as the build phase, it was definitely hard, and I'm sweating a ton. So yeah, tomorrow's arms, and I can't wait to see how that goes. Have a great day.